Happy Thursday, April 9th. Just wanted to reach out and talk to you guys and let you know that we really appreciate everything that you guys have done the last couple weeks. It's not been easy. We've all struggled here and there and been frustrated, and you guys really put it in some great effort. So we really appreciate everything you guys are doing. Today is the last day of the week, so you guys will get a nice, long, well-deserved break. So we do have a challenge. So it is Laker Pride Day today. So we would really like you guys to post into Seesaw something that you really enjoyed about the year, maybe a friend that you've missed, maybe a teacher that somebody that you connected with outside of whoever else you can think of. Go into Seesaw, and the very first thing you're going to do after you check your email there is you're going to make that meaningful post into there. And it can be a picture, it can be a couple of sentences, it can be anything you can think of, something you really enjoyed about our Laker family, and something that you've missed in the last couple of weeks. So kind of going through a little bit quicker on this one. You guys are starting to get the hang of everything. You have our daily attendance, you have our seesaw, you have the week at a glance. The only really new thing that you guys are going to see in there is Liberty's Kids episode 5. You will not make the summary for this one. You will only have the quiz to do in there. So you can use, it's an open note quiz. You can use your summaries, you can use your notes on this. It should go pretty well for you if you guys are paying attention. Take the quiz right in on Schoology, and then you'll just go back and submit it just like you've done the last week or so here. So Liberty's Kids episode 5 and quiz. The Dare Rough Draft. Hopefully you've been writing it somewhere, typing it somewhere, and keeping it safe. Check it over because we're going to turn that in next week. So have your summary and your rough draft completely done today. One new thing that we have, Mr. Gus's PE class, so that'd be my class for Lund. You guys will have a class meet at 9:30, and check your email for a link from him, and make sure you get on there. That one's mandatory as well. Last small group uh, of the week. Make sure you guys click into there and see which groups are you. We've been missing some kids lately, so make sure you go in right now, and as soon as you get this email, and you check right into it. Um, and Sign of the Beaver starts again today. So we have a group of 4 different books, 4 days so far. So starting over our second cycle through, Sign of the Beaver will now meet today. Hope you guys have a great day, and reach out to us with any questions or concerns.